In this video, I will show you how to translate text in Canva using the built-in Translate tool. To start, I'll go to the Canva homepage and click on Custom Size. I'm going to select the 8.5 by 11-inch document size to open a new blank project. Once the editor loads, I'll navigate to the sidebar and click on the Apps icon. In the search bar, I'll type in Translate and select the official Translate app from the results. This opens the Translate panel, where I can choose my settings. Next, I'll click on the page and select the Text tool to add a text box. I'll type the word hello as a simple example to translate. Back in the Translate panel, I'll select the language drop-down menu and scroll through the list until I find Xhosa. After selecting the language, I'll make sure the option to translate text from the current page is selected. Then I'll click the Translate button. Canva automatically creates a second page with the translated text, which in this case is Mholo. And that's how you easily translate your designs in Canva.